Would you spend over 1.3 lakh rupees on a gaming laptop? Because today we have something seriously powerful. This is the HP OMEN gaming laptop 16AP0231AX, featuring a Ryzen 9 processor and an NVIDIA RTX 5070 graphics. And in this video, we are unboxing it and doing a complete first experience. We are opening the box, checking everything inside, taking a close look at the laptop, checking the ports, plug it in, turning it on for the very first time and completing the entire setup. So let's find out what HP has packed inside this box. This is a gaming laptop designed for people who want serious performance without going to all the way into a desktop setup. Before we opening the box, let's quickly look at what we are getting inside the machine, because the specifications on this laptop are definitely interesting. Under the hood, we have an AMD Ryzen 9 8940HX processor. That's a 16-core 32-thread processor with boost speeds up to 5.3 GHz. For graphics, HP has paired it with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU with 8 gigs of GDDR7 memory. Then we have 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD. And the display is a 16-inch Quad HD panel with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 with support for refresh rates up to 240 Hz. We are also getting a fast 3 milliseconds response time up to 500 nits of brightness and 100% sRGB coverage. So yes, this is definitely not an entry-level gaming laptop, but specifications are only part of the story. Let's open the box. Alright, this is the moment. Let's open it. Here we go. And there it is, the HP OMEN. Now let's see exactly what HP has included in the box. First we have the power adapter. This model comes with a 230 watt power adapter, which is exactly what you would expect from a high performance gaming laptop like this. Then we have some power cable, some documentation, quick setup information, and that's pretty much it. So inside the box we have got the laptop, the power adapter, the power cable and the documentation. This thing is substantial. You immediately get the feeling that there is something serious hardware inside. I'm really liking this design. It's clean, minimal and relatively understandable for a gaming laptop. We have the shadow black finish and of course the iconic OMEN branding on it. There are no crazy graphics or aggressive gaming patterns everywhere. It's actually quite sophisticated. No unnecessary extras, just the essentials. Now let's take a proper look at the laptop itself. The first thing I noticed is the overall design. It's big but surprisingly clean. The shadow black finish gives it a premium look, while the OMEN logo keeps that gaming identity. The hinge will open the lid up to 180-degree angle. It comes with a 6-cell 83 Wh lithium ion polymer battery, but somehow this unit comes with zero juice in it. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts of a gaming laptop, the display. This is a 16-inch Quad HD display with resolution of 2560 by 1600, and here where the things get interesting. With up to 240 Hz refresh rate and a 3 milliseconds response time, this display is clearly designed with gaming in mind. And because it's a 16:10 panel, you also get a little more vertical screen space compared with a traditional 16:9 display. Even before playing a game, the display already looks extremely smooth. Look at the keyboard lighting. The RGB really brings the gaming character to life. The keyboard features 4-zone RGB lighting, and HP has also highlighted the WASD keys for gaming. It's a small detail but definitely useful for gamers. One thing I always check on a gaming laptop is connectivity, because what's the point of having a powerful laptop if you can't connect all your devices? On one side we have the available USB connectivity and the audio connection, and on the other side we have additional USB connectivity. We also have HDMI 2.1 port, Ethernet port, USB Type-C with display port support, and multiple USB Type-A ports. And yes, we still have a proper Ethernet port. For serious gaming, especially competitive gaming, a wired connection can still be extremely useful. The keyboard feels spacious and you also get a full-sized layout with number pad. There is anti-ghosting support as well, which is especially useful during gaming. The trackpad is also reasonably large and gives you plenty of room for normal everyday use. And we have got a full HD 1080p camera with dual array microphone. So this machine is not only built for gaming, it can also handle meeting, streaming, calls and everyday productivity. The OMEN logo and look at that keyboard lighting. This is probably one of my favorite moments when unboxing a new gaming laptop. The first time you press the power button and everything comes to life. Specifications are great on paper, but what I really want to know is this. How well does this RTX 5070 actually perform? What kind of FPS we can expect? How hard does this laptop get? How loud are the fans? How good is the display for gaming? And most importantly, is this laptop actually worth the money? We are going to find out. So make sure you are subscribed because the full performance test is coming next. And let me know on the comments, would you buy this Omen 16 or would you build a gaming PC for the same budget? Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.